Well, Enoch Burke attended court today as Wilson's Hospital School is on mid-term break, having been absent from recent hearings. The court is trying to decide what to do about his ongoing refusal to obey a court order to stay away from the school, including whether his salary should be used to pay for the school's security instead of paying the fine, and whether any other orders are appropriate. With the court hearing today that so far just over €22,000 has been diverted from his salary, along with more than €40,000 being seized from his bank account. Now, Barrister for the school, Rosemary Mallon, provided an update as to what's been happening since last week, and she confirmed that the Department of Education has said that it will pay 50% of the school's security costs, or just under €4,500, up to the end of December due to the exceptional circumstances. Now, last week there was some confusion over written submissions filed by Enoch Burke, which Ms Mallon said that she hadn't received, but then later clarified that she did receive them. Now, today members of the Burke family repeatedly called her a liar, some of them raising their voices towards her, while Isaac Burke also accused the judge of being a liar, and he was eventually removed from court by a Gardaí. Ms Mallon then said that she wasn't going to deal with personalised attacks. She had made a mistake and she had immediately rectified it. Enoch Burke then went on to make lengthy submissions, claiming that the original order to stay away from the school was severely undermined by the Court of Appeal's decision that the disciplinary appeals panel will be required to consider whether his suspension from his teaching post is valid, along with the legitimacy of the principal's initial instruction on how to address a transgender student. He claimed that no judge has considered this so far, and that the decision of the Court of Appeal meant that the High Court didn't have the right to make orders based on the original order to stay away. Now, Mr Justice Brian Cregan asked him repeatedly, without ever receiving an answer, why he never appealed the original order, and after repeated interruptions from the Burke family, including about the integrity of judges, he said he didn't understand why they all felt they could shout, calling their conduct disgraceful, and saying that the only dishonesty in the court was from Enoch Burke, misrepresenting why he was jailed or why he was fined. Ms Mallon also said that there was no question mark over the original order, and in fact the Court of Appeal had confirmed that Enoch Burke was in contempt, and she added that the school just wants him to obey the court order whether or not he agrees with it, because the school feels that they're spending far too much time trying to stop him breaking the rule of law instead of educating the next generation. Mr Justice Cregan said that he would take some time to consider matters and would reserve his judgment, but he did hope to deliver it within a week.